Landscape Solutions work across a number of our sites nationally, and what they offer us is a consistent approach to not only the day-to-day landscaping services they do, but they also offer a lot of simple value-add stuff which we can take away as a business to improve the experience for our residents and improve the overall look and feel of our communities. What you've got is a combination of teams on the ground who are very respectful of the environment they're working in, and that fact alone can't be understated. And more importantly, they're then supported by senior management with a common goal to create a very consistent approach, a consistent look and feel, and deliver a very high standard of work. As they look to grow and improve the delivery of the services that they deliver to us on the ground, they're also improving the services and the amenities that we're delivering to our residents. So it's quite a good match in that regards. What's been really impressive is the way they've connected with the community as a whole, and they've realised that they're coming into the homes of our residents as well as providing an asset and property service to us as a company. I think hands down that the biggest benefit for working with Landscape Solution has been the quality of the team that you get on the ground. It's really hard to find people that understand that working in a retirement community is a lot different to just looking after a normal asset or a normal residential block. We've got a lot of people that live within our communities that have looked after gardens their whole life. Lavish gardens, native gardens, heritage gardens, and a whole lot of things. And what I really like about the Landscape Solution teams on the ground is they're very cognizant of the fact that they're working for a lot of people that have a lot of opinions about the work that they do, and they always take the time to listen and to take on board that feedback so they can get the best outcome for the resident near their home, but also the community as a whole. It's a really pleasing part of working with Landscape Solutions.